Maswati lamahle, siyabonga ukuthi sithole lithuba lekuhlangana ngivusele emaswati onke kaNgwane. Ngiwavusele kuto tonke isigodi kaNgwane. Kusuka indaseshiselweni ke Libonjeni kaHoho nakaManzini. Maswati lamahle, siyabonga kakhulu sing SFDF, Swazi's First Democratic Front. Kwekuthi bekungafika namhla lelanga lanamhla lapho khona sitawufike sishicilele eminyakeni wesibili kwekuthi solo simile sithi livela kaNgwane liyayidzinga inkhululeko. Lapho khona sithi emaswati onke akaNgwane afanele ukuthi athole kuphila kahle eveni lawo. Siyabonga kakhulu maswati lamahle ukuthi nisijoyine nitewulalela lapho khona sitawubuka ukuthi politically livela kaNgwane lime kuphi. Lapho khona sitawufike sinethulele nekokuthi siyinhlangano ye-SFDF kulo 24 months lesibe khona in existence sibona ukuthi lelive ngabe selikuphi. Yona lendzaba yekufuna ukukhululeka ngabe sekuphi. Sekuningi kakhulu lokwendekile comrades, sekuningi kakhulu lokwendekile eveni kaNgwane. Sekuningi kakhulu lokusetawendeka. Ngawucela nje ngalokukhethekile kuvusela emalunga esikhiya kuto tonke letigodi lapho khona represented khona nyalo. Sine ma branches lasakhona solo saba khona lamane eSwatini ema branch lamakhulu nayinye lengaphandle kwaseSwatini diaspora lapho khona sine ma members ethu lamaningi ase Newcastle. Maswati lamahle mhlambe kulelanga namuhla ngaba sikhatsi sekuchaza kulabo labangaba nemibuzo ukuthi nize ni decide nje ukuthi nihlangane nakhe leli cembu lelitawubitwa ngekuthi iSwazi's First Democratic Front kwende njani? Yini inkinga lekhona? Ngiyati ke ukuthi maswati lamahle sihlele tulonde tehlukene simaswati. Kukhona labakhona ukudlala izambane laMpondo. Kukhona labadla kanye evikini ukuthi impilo ayibavumeli ukuthi bakhone kususa kade etiko. Kungako ke singabhekwe ukuthi mhlambe lengoma lesihlabelako ulabo lababenefitako kule regime lekhona bangayiva sibhekile ukuthi ngeke bayiva kahle. Siyati ke ukuthi nangabe utibukele wena utibukela linamuhla utawuthi awu mina ngiyakhona ukuvukela emsebentini. Mina ngiyakhona ukumikisa abantu abami private school. Mina tintfo tami tisahamba kahle ngisakhona nekugcwalisa imoto full tank. Kukhona bantfu in the same country labangakhoni kudla sinkwa kabili ngeliviki ngoba ba afford. There are many reasons ke la kwende lokho ukuthi kwendeke eSwatini. Sihlale sikhuluma ukuthi iSwaziland is a small country. Lesicabanga ukuthi kungaba lula nekuthi ema resources lacukethwe ngile live nje abengakhona ukuthi bonke abantu abaseSwatini abanake improve impilo yemaswati onke kopha kwendeke kanjalo. Kungilapho khona ke sithena sihlala phasi sine basunguli balenhlangano sabuka ukuthi no, we need a voice. Ivoice leta ungeta ema voices la khona labekeva la khona asetigangeni ayibita yendzaba inkululeko but thine labanye myself included singakuboni ngoba phela ubona ngathi ungconywana unemabhizinisi uyasebenta but ukusitani ukuthi wakhe indlu yeglass eceleni kwemkhulu. Kungako ke sabona ukuthi inhlangano yesikhiya yakhiwe. Kungavakala ngazuthi yinto lembi umuntu lofuna kungadistagwa ngoba yena udla kahle. Kungabonakala ngazuthi kunani kungachubeki njengoba kunjalo. But the reality is from the year 2021 lapho khona emaswati avule emehlo asukuma azama kuveta umvo wawo wekuthi akube nelishintsho eveni bakwenta radical bagcwala umgwaco. Uhulumende lo kumele abe ngumvikeli wabo kwabangilo babulala. We have old political parties abo NNLC laqalwa ngabo 1963 yasungulwa ngu-Dr. Ambrose Zwane. Nawo bekabona lokho ukuthi kunetinto lekutafuna ukuthi uhulumende noma ngabe ukhona kube nalenye ivoice letawucheck ukuthi lo hulumende wenta kona imvelo. Kwahamba kwabonakala ke ukuthi uhulumende lophethe uthi angisafuni ukuphikiswa. Ngifuna kwagodla onke lamandla abe ami. Kude umuntu lo utawuthatha emandla ami. Uma uke wangiphikisa utawuya ejele. Kunamhla we have more than 200 prisoners, political prisoners in Swaziland. Uyatibuta ukuthi nangabe hulumende webantfu asene bantfu labakhuluma bathi bafuna ukukhulumela emalungelo abo labangu-200 labavalele. Aphinze kube ngulo hulumende lo bostako ukuthi sine eSwatini sithengisa kuthula. Ngikuphi lokuthula lesikhuluma ngakho? Ngingakusho ligcwala umlomo maswati lamahlo ukuthi kude umvulo oluswati lolinyanya koluvelakhe. Akekho namunye. Wonke umvulo oluswati lengihlangane naye lo lamzabalazweni. Uyalithanda leli. The only thing la ifunako ukuthi live lethu lisiseve sonke ngalokufanayo. Akwendeki ke lokho under the current regime. Kungako ukuthi no asesihlangane mhlambe utawusiva hulumende nasikhuluma sihlangene. Nakhona lapho saphinze sabuyela sayomcela hulumende ethi hulumende sicela manje usivumele ukuthi sibe nje ne-right. Lo phinze wona uyayifaka na constitution ukuthi phela sibe ne-right of association. We are one country and maybe the only country lapho khona singavumeleki ukuthi si associate politically sikhona ukukhuluma sivakale ukuthi sithini. Namhla maswati lamahle lokungivisa abhlungu ukuthi we may be celebrating 2 years of anniversary lapho khona saqala khona le organization. But we are just an addition to many other old organizations in the country that have been saying the same thing. Yekuthi sicela i-accountability. Sicela kuviwa. And akwendeki. It is unfortunate that when bantfu sebaswele ukuthi bendani ngoba ubavala umlomo uthi abangakhulumi. Wacetha labo wamuka emalungelo labo ekudla wamamunga imisebenzi. Wacetha lapho wamuka emalungelo abo ekufundza wabamuka education. You still expect those people to be loyal and be genuinely loyal to you. Ngicabanga ukuthi silive funa sikubukisise lokho. Kunetinvo lesitibona ngazuthi tiyakhiwa. Ngoba mhlambe thine labanye sihleli kahle. But the reality on the ground iyakhombisa ukuthi people are struggling. The cost of living in the country yenyuke kakhulu. I may not be in Swaziland right now, but I'm very much certain ukuthi things from 2021 to date have changed in terms of the cost of living. Dineng tinghomba letithi live lethu alikaphatheki kahle. Sineke sing SFDF, we believe everything can be negotiated. Everything can be discussed. Kuvunyelwane etafuleni kwekuthi labantu bakhala ngani. lesive sikhala ngani? Is it fair? What can be done? In the absence of the dialogue, people revolt, unfortunately. SFDF akakuthandi ukurevolta, akathandi ukusubscriber enzabeni revolta. SFDF believes emaswati mancane and are interrelated. Emaswati na interrelated, nangisasasibhamu ngidubula esicumbini sebantfu ngiliphoyisa, I'll definitely hit one of my own. Ngiyawulimata umfundisi wami, ngiyawulimata umzala wami, ngiyawulimata makhelwane wami. Asikholelwa ke thine singe SFDF ukuthi lelive lelincane kangaka lingaze lilanve ngedindlela letawukhokha ingadi. Because nakukhokha ingadi ebantwini labangu 1.3 million usala bangaki? Usala bani? We do not subscribe to that one. We believe we have a government that's got an ear. It is true, emaswati are frustrated right now. Sikubona lokhu ngetindlela letiningi lesetendeka kwaSwatini. Sibona nge-crime rate lephakeme ngendlela lesimangalisayo. Itolo lokhu besifunze emaphepheni kokuthi kubhonjwa ema-ATM sekuzengene nabomake ekhathi. Nangabe ungaze waba kule situation yabo, you can blame them. I don't. It is a crime, yes, ngiyavuma. But siyabuka insi labantu bafika njani kule situation lasabafike kiyo. Allow me to highlight issues that we are looking at SFDF, and we think government is not doing justice on them. The issue of free education. Free education in the country only applies to primary students, leaving the preschool kids and the high school students. And you can see with the unemployment, the parents are struggling now to get their children through high school. Even when they get them through high school, it's an issue now getting them into tertiary. One, the application fees, tertiary, they are very expensive. Two, there are no scholarships. Even when the children have tried and struggled to get to tertiary, they cannot afford to pay. They cannot afford to get scholarship. You find kula maline scholarship. Sekugijima mine umfana minister ngayimembili because I am connected. Lo mfana wale emvembili wemuvu lohluphekako utawuphinza nzinze. Uyawukhanza ukuthi lemvembili sebatizamela ukuthi iphilisa ngensango aphinza afike kuhulumende nale nsango abemuke. Because uthi ngeke babe nelungelo lokuba nemali bathengisa insango. Ngeke kuphela nebamfu bakhe labatsite labangathengisa insango. We have a problem. What are we trying to produce as a country? We are producing bamfana laba angry, laba tawugcwala ejele. Batawugcwala ejele labanye ngoba bangafuni because they are trying to be heard through the political formations. This is one thing that we think as SFDF, hulumende kufuna ibuke. Kwekuthi nangabe sithi bamfana sitabaniketa i-free education ibe partial. Sibe sithi ka grade 1 mfana angedi angajike preschool. Ebe i-preschool idulile. Kube la khaya kunemfana lo cedzile esikolo sola kaqasha. It's a problem. Siyatakhela letinkinga silive. Leni sitakhele letinkinga silive ngilokuthi sithi umfulo ngasikhulumisa nalo ngasicheka. Siyatishayela umthetho siphindze sithi ichubekele sithi sebetele umfu lokhulumako wonke umuntu ucondzisa inhloko embili because akafuni ukuvakala ngisho angibingelela nanami because kodwa ubonakala ungazuthi sofuna kuphikisa uhulumende. Angeke le live lakhe ninebe kunene. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ufuna siyibuke indzaba ye free education. Siphinze sibuke indzaba yase tertiary lokuthi sithi te kudulile nyalo kungena khona because adulile phela ema scholarships. Akungeni noma ngibani kuma scholarships ukhanza ukuthi bantwana baya qualify but they can't get in. Hulumende yincane ibudget atayiniketa ema tertiary because uzama kuseva imali to do all other things that imjabulisako yena and building useless hotels lengekasetshenziswe ngiloluntu that asetshenziswa abantu labathite labambadlwana and enjoy them. Bese kusilabantu labale emakhaya that needs this money ukuthi bantu ababambe baye esikolweni bangakhona. Sokukhanza ke sibamfana sebayanzinza abamfana abasathi sebatawubhekana. So tawuva ukuthi sekungena na indzaba yabo fakada. Sive ukuthi sekunema scams lamasha we sebafunza indlela yokuphilisa because hulumende akalisilo linaka akanenzaba akalaleli. Noma sithi hulumende kuyasihlale phansi sikhulume akanaso isikhathi. Nalaba ke bamfana sebangenile le tertiary, there's another problem. The problem there now is that the allowance is only 1,690 rands per month. Nayo leyo mali lokhanza ukuthi ifika emva kwesikhathi. Bamfana sebathengise ngemtimba, bamfana sebente yonke into labangayenda just to survive. At tertiary, that's where you also see a rise in suicides. Labamfana ba frustrated, they are angry and frustrated, and abayiboni way out because kumbula thina sawukhonile waphumelela wafika wamphasa lo form 5 watibona nawo ungene university. So yafika university sawute imali yekudla, sawute imali yetinfo letinengi uba suyacabanga kubuyela ekhaya washiya vele likati lilaletiko. What else can you do? As a country, what are we doing to our children? Ngicabanga ukuthi these are the things letende ukuthi umfuna katibuka tichubeka angeke kuhlale nje. We cannot allow this to continue. Government must be accountable. We cannot allow a country where utachubeka nje kanje education ibulawe to the dogs just because it's not necessary for some people. Ukhona labanye vele le education lesesikhiya kibo sokuthi bachubeke babe nempilo lengcono. Ukhona vele labangayidzingi because batelwe ne golden spoon emlonyeni. So bona abayidzingi le education. But sithine SSFDF, education must be prioritized by government. Now prioritize education, but prioritize lecturers. How can we have a country who highest institution in the country where lecturers have to toy to get their salaries sometimes? It can't be normal. Those things must come to an end. We cannot allow it. Negotiate. They are not negotiable. So we cannot even talk about lecturers. They need to be paid in time. We cannot call it a country. We need to change. There are things that we need to change. Also, because of the pain that they are going through, they try to associate now the institution besa victimizer akasaba treat as capable students because sebakhuluma indzaba yepolitiki bakhuluma indzaba yokuthi tintfo atishintshe tentwe kahle. This cannot be allowed. It cannot go on. Sithi siyacela nje hulumende ayibuke siboneke lokunye sekuvela khona lapha e-university sekuthiwa i-institution seyinema bills lamakhulu bo SEC nakubo water. We cannot allow that. We cannot expect ukuthi institution yethu lelicapho kangaka kube ngiyo lapho khona sifuna kwenda khona imali as a country. It's where we need to be pouring money. So those are the issues as SFDF that we sat down and said, these are the issues that we need our country to attend to. And indzaba ya health ngilenye nayo lesimangalisako ukuthi nguliphi live lelingavele lifulathele indzaba yetempilo enjeveni ifulathele nje kuthi noma sekumenyetwa ukuthi hayi kuyagangwa kuyebiwa kuchubeke kube business as usual. Ngiliphi live lelingaphila kanjalo kuthi sekukhulunyiwe kwaphuma ema-evidence ukuthi uyadlana kunekuganga kungake noma kuthiwe cha laba basapplase bamiswe kancane kusakhona lokulungiswa. No, kuyachubeka nje event lethu, everything is normal. Bogogo bayafa bantu nabaya esibhedlela kufuna bawuphinze bawuthengele amaphilisi and nala maphilisi ukhanza ukuthi bonesi sebatendela tiphaza tabo batakutshela ukuthi dzingana liphilisi latike usuyalithengisa yinalapha kunengi. We cannot run a country like that where ngilona nje uyatitapela ngilona nje uyatithathela uyatihambela nangabe uvele ingadi yakho imunywana nguwe kuphela la kuthiwa khona emaphoyisa ka-anti-corruption atakufikela. But nangabe we are close to who, you are not going to be touched noma kungalethwa evidence lengakanani. And then we sing and say corruption asiyifuni. We are saying corruption is being fed, and unfortunately it's being fed by the regime itself. Ngiyona nje igrower. It's either in the country upusha crime noma upusha corruption. Otherwise we are not going to succeed. Angeke. You need to push corruption and push crime. We cannot have a country that we are going to run recklessly like that. And also esibhedlela ukhanza ukuthi nalabo labasupply ko sebanikete amaphilisi labolile o imshini seyifile tifo leti bonakala ukuthi tifo leti ngeke kulunge ukuthi live lingaba khona nje lime lonke ukuthi lo mshini lona ukho njengemshini lona lobasolo sekuthiwa sekubolekiswa ngayo dialysis. We cannot afford to allow our country to manage our health systems in that manner. As SFDF, we are saying those are the things that are not giving us peace. Akusiniketi kulala. Iyodwa ke yabogogo nalaba disabled. Uyatibuta ukuthi nangabe nje utawunika gogo 500 rand ngenyanga unikete umuntu lo disabled even less. Uyakhumbula ukuthi gogo uzame ukukhulisa umfana wakhe wamikisa tertiary wafika wangasithola scholarship wangawuthola umsebenzi wagcina sebenza emafemini wahola zuka wafuna kusa substitute isalary yakhe ngemtimba wakhe athengisa umtimba wabuya nebantwana la mhlambe wagcina wathole naligciwane gogo unebantwana la selenebo lafuna yobafaka preschool lafuna sabafaka through school noma singaba free kufuna kudliwe la khaya 500 rand. We need to be serious. The resources that we have in the country are enough to give every citizen of Swaziland fair lifestyle. But sikubona ngazi ukuthi iyanza wonye leyo mali. ayanza wonye lama resources. Government needs correction. And we have said, say the correction, over the table. We believe then we need to look for an alternative. If we cannot have a government for the people, then we need to get an alternative. The unemployment rate in the country is crazy. Ngiyeva ukuthi kunabothishela laba graduate ngabo 2019, 2020 solo abakacashwa. Basi bangacashwa nje letikolweni ti understaffed. Tikolo ti understaffed. Hulumende akafuni ukucasha bothishela nangabe bacashile ubanike ama contracts so that atoba roba angabaholeli kahle. And we also want to say, hayi akuthulwe. Hey vele futhi bothishela abangahlangana bangakhuluma ipolitiki bothishela. Niyabamonitor bangakhuluma ipolitiki bothishela because yababuke nje lokufundzisa. Khona nyalo uhulumende ukhuluma uhlongothi indzabe ukuthi kule minyaka letako ufuna ukukhatha indzaba yokuniketa scholarship bantu labafundzela buthishela. Tonke letinfo leti hulumende latentako lama policies akhe lawendako onke alwa nemalungelo emaswati. Onke alwa nemalungelo emaswati. Uyabona ke ukuthi hulumende akanendzaba nalamaswati. Emaswati ke nje uma sengitibalile nje letinfo leti lesengitishito. Sekangene crime. Swaziland is not safe anymore. Bantu bagebenga ngabofacata babhomba ema-ATM nyalo nje kungashona ilanga sidawuva ukuthi kunebantu lababalekele imali tema-stokfela. Titawulahleka vele imali tema-stokfela uma ngabe lo muntu lebekathi ubambe le mali ye-stokfela kube sesekudzingeka ukuthi ayobhadalela umfana le. Utawukhetha singamane bafathi bangibulale. Umfana nami ngeke ngihlale ngambhadaleli. And siphinze sine issue lenkulu kakhulu as a country, which is the GBV and divorce rate. I-frustration lekuma families nasekude economy lehamba kahle kude imali kude impilo batawushayana batawubulalana. If you read even the local newspapers, print newspapers, uyabona ukuthi it's an everyday thing. Indzaba ye we bantu bayabulalana bebathi bayathandzana. Sizathu saloko yini? Hulumende utawuhamba through the prime minister bayo window dresser. Hey, asimane sikhulumise abantu abakhulumisane. No. Kunema root issues. The root issues is the governance. The root issues ngilokuthi le level phethwe njani. Tonke letinfo leti tabo GBV ingema results. Ekuthi we have angry parents. We have angry lovers. Because wasisi boyfriend basafuna imali allowance. Girlfriend allowance. Basafuna imali yekude. Bayidle because lo muntu bafuna kuthenga alipaka le rice. Bashayane babulalana. So we cannot address these issues la moyeni sithi hayi akubukwe in akubukwe lemva ukuthi yini nasitawubuyela sibuyele emva sithi economy ifike njani la ifike khona is the system of government that we have, is the system lengasi accountable to the people, is the system leyatithi yona nayijabulisa umfungunye kwenene. The rest of the Swazi people abanenzaba. That's exactly what is bringing and breeding the issues that we are facing today, which is the GBV, even the divorce rate. Bamfa abasakhona, a lot is happening in the country. And some of the labantu laba abuse the women that are abused. Ukhanze ukuthi batawuya lemaphoyiseni bayobika ukuthi yathi I'm being abused at home, and the abuser is the provider, because government is not even caring ukuthi the abused women baniketwe shelter ngokuthi naso abusiwe while sisayisebenzisa indaba yakho sayilungisa. You can't tell me ukuthi ungishayele wangipotota the next thing I need to go back and sleep there. And asevile soshayelwe emaphoyisa sengibuya komcebe emaphoyiseni. And then the following day we have someone that is dead. Sesimlanza ngemaplastic. And we are a country that is turning a blind eye, and we are saying, hayi laba vele bangenwe lidimoni sebakhuluma into tembangave. These are the issues. These are daily issues that we are talking about. Umzabalazo akusiyo into yokuthi hey bakhanika kuphamisa tinyawo nekwehla benyuka bazuba. There are issues that are pushing the people from their comfort zones to come out and voice their pain. And bathi basayivoice ipain yabo, we have a country and the authorities labane mandla yekuphindze bakhokhe isibhamu nenhlavu ledubulako bakubulala. EmaSwati are frustrated. Let us not underplay it. No, hi, people are just exaggerating. We are not. These are the issues that we have. Also, we are seeing a lot of sources. Mina bengathi ukuthi itolo emaswati beka content ahlele even lawo. Afunze angene emisebentini asebende improve live lawo. But namuhla Phanjane Airport, from bothishela bonesi and any other profession ongayicabanga kwehla kenyuka. EmaSwati sekagucuke ayo oba ma refugees ayoba ma foreigners emaveni ebamvu lapho khona atasebenziswa kabuhlungu. We are losing even brains lemele ngabasebenzi eveni, because the people that are qualified, if they are not related to so and so, they're not going to be employed. So what do you expect them to do? So le live vele li renderishwa ukuthi ligcine lisele nebantu labangakhoni, is either you are related or you are nothing. We are nothing, we are bugela. We cannot allow that. We cannot allow that. So, why you are fighting as SFDF? We want equal opportunities. But before then, we want a dialogue. A dialogue where we are going to agree and discuss regime change. Sifuna kuhlala phasi nahulumende asive asilalele asihloniphe and asinikete an equal status as the owners elive nanathi. We cannot be treated as subjects. We are not mere subjects in Swaziland. We are the owners of the country. We want to be listened to by our government. Sifuna kulalelwa. Sifuna ukuthi uhulumende asihlalise phasi sikhulume. Sitibeka tonke letinto how we can correct the system. If singakhona correcta i-system, akhoshele eceleni. We've got capable Swazis that are ready to take over the country. I have said when I started, some have put their heads on the block just to make sure we would see. And I want to tell labo labevangazi sikuyadlalwa ukuthi the Swazis that are out, the Swazis that are in Swaziland that are looking for change. Abajig. They want the change. All the things lebulukhulu lesengikubalela ngenhla. Ngibo lobende ukuthi emaswati tinhlitiyo tabo ticine tishintshe. Namhla we have former MPs that are locked in the prisons in Swaziland for doing nothing really except to speak nakhona ngendlela yokunegotiate. They never did anything wrong. We have a Maswati lagcwele all over labaleka even now. Do you think those Swazis that leave everything and run away are still wishy-washy about their decision of changing the country? They are not. As SFDF, we are here to say Swaziland is for us all. And we believe that we all need to partake in its politics openly, without fear or favor. And we believe that youth yethu, because yona-ke isatawuaffecteka, thina labanye sasibhadzadlana. But our youth is going to be affected. They need to take responsibility in liberating the country. We believe the youth needs to take responsibility in liberating Swaziland. We also believe that party politics are not relevant at this point. I may be wearing my emblem, Sikia, but I'm also an NLC. I'm also Pudemo. I'm also Swalimo. Because sihlanganiswe into yinye. Sikhuluma into yinye. That's why for me, I will not come here and start dragging other political parties into the whole thing, because I believe those people are fighting with me, fighting the evil regime. Swazi's first democratic front means one thing. Everything that government must be doing must put Swazi's first. Everything, every party that ibita ngekuthi yona ifuna inkululeko, before they even go live or they do anything, kufuna babeke eMaswati MP. Swazi's first. Amandla